Hi everyone, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to enter a credit card credit. Let's get started. Let's go to Create, and under Vendors, we can go to Credit Card Credit. Let's go ahead and type in who the payee is. I'm going to do Home Depot. And then the credit card, choose the credit card that you want the credit card credit in, and the date, and of course it's materials. QuickBooks will remember your description if you have that option on. I'll go ahead and delete that, and we could put in here credit from a return or something like that, whatever you would like to put in your description. You can also job cost it to a project. So let's go ahead and save that. And now we could see a credit card credit. Let's go and look at the chart of accounts. View register. And we could see here that QuickBooks has put it under like a payment, even though really it's not a payment to the credit card, it's a credit card credit. But what this is going to do, it's going to reduce the balance of that credit card because it was a refund. I hope that this has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe, give thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one.